So a little over 6 weeks ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your account. It all comes down to the strategy and the approach you have. You could have a $1 million account, but have the wrong strategy and you're gonna lose money. So the biggest thing, guys, we're gonna be showing you guys a strategy that I've used for over 6 years to buy stocks, to trade stocks, all that stuff. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school, amazing course, and with private live streams, a group chat, quizzes, lectures, everything every swing trader needs, whether you're a beginner or you're taking it to the next level. Highly recommend the course, and today is the last day for the 50% off sale using code MONEY for 50% off. So check it out down below. Guys, it's awesome. Let's dive into this here. So this past week, we did place one trade. For me, this week, going into this week, we lost money last week. We actually lost about $30, which was not very good, but honestly, it was very, very good to have a loss. And I know that sounds crazy because it made me take a step back and start working on my checklist again. For those of you that don't know, I document everything, all of my trades. I always make sure the stocks I am buying follow my strategy, my criteria, and more importantly, I journal it so I never make the same mistake twice. That's the worst thing any trader can do. So this past week, our total account is sitting near around $733 with a return of about 8% and a profit of about $56, which is absolutely awesome. That's what we look for. So let's talk about the trade. So breaking down the checklist. Why did you buy this stock? So for me, I always make sure the checklist is top notch. So the first thing, upward trend, check. The next thing, stock on a support line. Now, when we entered this position, the stock has sold off down to the 200-day moving average line, which has acted as very, very heavy support in the past. So now, looking at this, you understand, okay, if it does sell off down here, this could represent a very, very good entry point for this position. The next thing, RSI. The RSI was trading for a 28. We look for anything under a 30. A 30 represents an undervalued stock that could have a possible momentum change, reversal. You don't want to buy a stock and then have the sell-off continue to sell off. So that was very, very good. The next thing is earnings. Actually, this stock just released earnings, so I know we were in the clear. The next thing is risk and reward. For this position, I really was looking for about a 3-to-1 risk and reward. And when we do that here, we'll actually go to the hourly chart and I'll actually kind of show you the approach. So normally we find some sort of support down here or something along those lines, but really I couldn't find much. Normally it would look something like this, but what I wanted to do is get in on a breakout, and that's exactly where we entered, near and around this $46 mark. So going to the risk and reward, hopping in near at 46, setting our stop loss down below the lowest wick here, all the way down here, which might seem a little high, I get it, but if we break down and we look back and we see the overall target for this was all the way up here, which is about a 2-to-1 risk and reward, which is relatively decent. Obviously, 3-to-1 is always better. So the risk and reward was there, and I felt very, very, very confident with this trade. So you guys can see it actually broke up above it, hit that 200-day moving average line, curled down, hit it again, and then we got that move going up. So now the approach that I have is very, very simple here. We're just going to draw this line out. If it dips down below it, we're going to cut our losses. But overall, we're still holding this position and we're still up about 8% on it, which is absolutely fantastic. For me, when it comes with swing trading and trading in the markets, we're looking for that momentum change, that reversal. The last time it broke out above the red line, also known as the 200-day moving average line, you guys will see the stock went from about $150 all the way up to $173. So I am very confident that we could still get a good amount of buying pressure out of this stock. And guys, this is the strategy, the approach we had this past week with a small amount of money. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys are new, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our school. Also, guys, we do have a trading journal here. You guys can get this down below as well or on Amazon. We made it. We love it. We use it every single day. So check that out. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And take care.